Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these radical algebraic equations given that x root x equals x plus root x. So to solve this, we have x here, which we can write it as square root of x raised to power of 2. Then we have the second square root equals, similarly with this one, we have it as square root of x raised to power of 2 equal plus square root of x. And next, we have square root of x, which is common to them. We are going to let square root of x equals t. And therefore, here is t squared multiplied by t equals t squared plus t. So when t squared multiply t, we have t raised to power 3, and we take all these things to this left hand side. We have minus t squared minus t equals 0. So t is common, we factor 1 out, and in the parentheses we have t squared minus t minus 1 equals 0. So we let t equals 0, or we have t squared minus t minus 1 equals 0. So for the first one, which is t equals 0, we recall from where we have square root of x equals t. And at t equals to 0, we have square root of x equals 0. So which means that for the square root of x here equals 0, so far the value of x can take positive, and 0 is part of positive number. Therefore, x equals 0 satisfy this problem. And let's see the other solutions that satisfy this. From t squared minus t minus 1 equals 0. So by transferring this minus 1 to other side, we have t squared minus t equals 1. If I add 1 over 4 to both sides, here is t squared minus t plus 1 divided by 4 equals 1 plus 1 divided by 4. And the whole of this one, it becomes t minus 1 over 2 raised to power of 2 equals, so why this one is 5 divided by 4. By taking the square root of both sides, here is t minus 1 over 2 equals plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 4. So we transfer this one minus 1 over 2 to the right hand side, and we have t equals 1 divided by 2 plus or minus. We separate this as square root of 5 divided by square root of 4. And here we have t equals 1 over 2 plus or minus square root 5 divided by 2. So we have plus and minus here. We are going to separate this with plus and minus, and the first one is 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and the second part of t equals 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. When we recall from where we left, square root of x equals t. So the value of this root x and t, both of them must be positive. And if you can check this, 1 minus root 5 over 2 is negative. So which means the value of t here at 1 minus root 5 over 2 is rejected. And therefore, we substitute the value of t here, which is positive here. And we have square root of x equals 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. By taking the square of both sides, we have x equals 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 all square. So by rewriting this one in 2 times, we have x equals 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 bracket 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Let's try to expand this. X equals 1 multiplied by 1, we have 1 plus 1 multiplied by root 5, we have root 5 plus root 5 multiplied by 1, we have root 5 plus root 5 multiplied by 5, that is 5. Divided by 2 multiplied by 2, we have it as 4. Next, 1 plus 5 is giving us 6 plus root 5 plus root 5, we have it as 2 root 5, and everything divided by 4. But we can factor out 2 here. When we factor out, what we are going to have at the numerator is 3 plus root 5, everything divided by 2. And this is another solution to x that satisfies this. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting math content, and I will see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.